Myself Dr. Shrikant, Assistant Professor in Pharmaceutics Department, VL College of Pharmacy, Raichur. Okay. So today I am going to teach you about the prescription. So which is commonly known as a prescription or an order. Okay. So prescription, what is it exactly? Prescription is a written or printed or typed order from a registered medical practitioner or maybe the licensed practitioner. Examples are the dentist, veterinary to a pharmacist to compound and dispense the specific medication for a patient. So once again I am repeating, prescription is a written, printed, typed order from a registered medical practitioner or a licensed practitioner, dentist, veterinary to a pharmacist to compound and dispense to a specific medication for the patient. So this prescription will contain majorly two important, one for the direction to the pharmacist. So here the direction to the pharmacist with related to the specific type. What is a dosage form is to be prepared. For example, tablet, capsule, syrup, what should be prepared for a pharmacist, and also includes specific quantity. It might be the 100 ml, 50 ml or the syrup, what the quantity of the prescription has to be prepared. So another important direction is given to the patient. So here in this prescription, to the direction to the patient with respect to mode of administration. So mode of administration is nothing but here the 2 times in a day, 3 times in a day or once in a day with milk, with water, what is it? So that direction is given to the patient, which also included in the prescription. So in other words, prescription we can say that it is in a media, it is called as a media which is written in English as well as the Latin terms. So majorly the English is very commonly used and Latins are abbreviations and some words are used still today in India. This prescription contains the number of parts which are very important for the contents of the prescription. So what are the parts which is includes in the prescription? First one, date. So this date is very much important in any prescription. Okay, because this date will gives the idea about the when the prescribed to a patient and also a pharmacist dispensed to the patient. For that purpose, date is very much important. Specifically, the example, if you take a narcotic drugs, which are psychic drugs which are commonly used for some patient for repeated. So to avoid that, date is very much important. Okay, so date will give the idea about the prescriber when the prescribed for the patient. Coming to the next one, name, age, sex, weight and address of the patient. So this is very much important specifically to identify the which patient from which locality, age, name and sex, weight of the patient. So here the prescriber, if these details are not written in the prescription, it is a responsibility of a pharmacist to write the name, age, sex, weight and address and identification of the prescription. So hence it is very much important for the identity of the patient. So coming to the third one, the third part of the prescription is the superscription. It is abbreviated as in Latin, that is an RX. That is called an RX. It is a very simple meaning, you take, means following the medication has to be taken by the prescription. So this is an example I am showing here. RX is written here that. So after the RX, some medication is given in the list. So that is why the RX is nothing but by asking that God let the heal of the patient as early as possible. So whatever the disease is there, recovery from the disease is to occur very fast. So praying to the God and taking that medication, so every disease will be eliminated from our body. Hence it is very much important. The fourth part of the prescription is the inscription. It is a major part of the body of the prescription, mainly contain what is the drugs which are to be prescribed and what is the base has to be used or vehicle used to be for the compounding of the particular prescription. So hence it is a major part of the prescription. So that I am showing here, this part is called as the inscription. So coming to the subscription, you see here direction given to the pharmacist with respect to what the dosage form has to be prepared, whether the syrup, whether the capsule, whether the tablet, etc. along with the what the quantity, what are the doses has to be prepared for this direction. So that is called as a subscription. Coming to the signature, the next part of the prescription is signature. Here the direction is given to the patient with respect to the mode of administration, whether you have to take before meals, after meals, 2 times in a day, 3 times in a day, whatever it may be, it contains the signature. So that is why it is very much important in the prescription. And sixth one, signature. It's completed as a direction given to the patient. 7th one, renewal of instruction. Here some renewal of the prescription is necessary. For example, patient is suffering with a tuberculosis or a leprosy or any chronic diseases. In such cases, prescription has to be repeated for the 6 months or 5 months. In such cases, the prescriber will renew the note. So renewed for the 6 months, renewed for the 3 months. That instruction is given in the prescription. So that is why called as it is called as a renewal instruction. So lastly, signature address and the registered practitioner registered number is very much important. So that is majorly important for the prescriber who prescribes the detail of the complete information regarding the prescription who wrote there. So that is why prescription are available in market 2 types. One is the old prescription, another one is a modern prescription. The explanation which is I given, it is completely depend upon the old prescription. So in new prescription, the inscription part will be eliminated. Inscription part will be eliminated. Simply the prescriber prescribe the prescription and the patient will move on to the medical store, and whatever the prescription it contains, so that will be dispensed by the pharmacist, and that pharmacist will take out the medication and move on to the physician for the checking or the scrutining of the prescription, whether the dispensed whether correct or not. So that is the process of the prescription will be across us in the modern prescription. So this is the sample of the prescription which exists in the market, which I shown as so nursing home, details of the patient, date and etc. will be the. So in the next video we will continue the next part of the prescription. Thank you.